Alright.
Please turn green. Run. Oh, we fishtailed the whole way here. So
Holy cow.
it's ice. It is solid ice. This is Michigan right now.
Okay, now let's just stay up on the little ridge here before the road so we can get a run up to get through the road. Now up, keep going, get on top of that hill there. Yeah, stay out of slush.
That's the guy that pushed me out. Easy. Easy.
Oh, oh. Okay, stop right here, and wait for it.
Come on.
Leave,
Come on.
don't, just eke, don't spin. Okay, wait.
Come on.
Okay, that's good, just slow. All right, and brace yourself, here we go.
It's gonna put both.
No. Oh, sideways.
Wait till this corner right here. You throw it in a second. Just you can't stop moving. If you stop moving, you can get stuck.
Okay, slower, easy. Slow.
All right. Have we got any cars? Car check. You're good.
Second.
I'm in second. Relax.
Oh.
Everyone relax.
Okay, you're gonna have to get around the.
Is he stuck?
Yeah, but
I will come back and help.
yeah. Keep going. Don't stop. Keep going.
Yeah,
Keep
I'm
going.
gonna slow down so I don't swing it in.
It's just too brittle to.
Swing to the yard. I end up
Little
going up in the yard every time.
careful. And driveway. Keep going.
Should I park in the ruts or not?
Yeah, stay in the ruts, yeah. Oh, okay, stop. Watch the fence.